Namaste. Good afternoon. My name is Chef John Biswas. I am the exec chef in Radisson High Tech City, Hyderabad. So today we're going to do a very simple and easy recipe. It's croque monsieur. Croque monsieur is basically a French snack dish, and it is made with ham, gruyere cheese, Emmental. But today we're going to do a Indian version of it. We're going to do a vegetarian version of it. We will use paneer instead of the chicken or ham. So actually each time we make any dish, people always ask me that chef, what would be the vegetarian version of it, or can we make vegetarian of the same dish. So I intentionally picked up a dish which already converted to a vegetarian dish. This is basically for the people who loves cheese, yummy food. So this is basically for them, food for the foodie people, and it's really great. Once the rainy season starts, you can have it in the snack with family, you know. So I'll introduce with the ingredients that we have. We're using Amul cream for making the white sauce. Then we have paneer over here. We'll use the paneer as a paneer stuffing. Then I have the Amul cheese. Obviously, I got butter, some nutmeg for the sauce, and flour, butter. I got chopped peppers, cardamom powder that will actually give flavor to the paneer stuffing, chopped coriander, chopped onion, some garam masala, little bit of sugar, chopped tomatoes, and some small cubes of paneer. So I haven't used any green chili or any chili powder over here because that dish is yum. It's more of, will have a little bit of sweet palate. So if anybody want to add some chili, you can always add it and have that spicy touch in it. Alright, so this is it. The sandwich will be divided in three parts. We will make a small white sauce with the cream. We will make the paneer stuffing and then the actual sandwich. Alright. Okay, so we'll start with the paneer stuffing. I'll add a little bit of oil. We'll add some butter. If we add only butter, sometimes you can have the butter can get burned. Reduce the temperature. Add some onion. Okay, let it get cooked for a while. You don't have to cook more and make it a golden brown onion sort of type, that kind of onion. We don't need that. You can keep the color a little bit lesser than that, no problem. We'll add some paneer. Okay, got paneer. We'll add some bit of garam masala. Cardamom powder. some peppers to it, chopped bell pepper. You can add variety colors also. A bit of chop, little bit of pepper, some salt, some fresh chopped tomatoes, bit of sugar, okay. Yeah, so the mixture is smelling nice, cardamom flavor. I have the cardamom aroma coming out. Right, now we add some cream, little bit of cream to it. Now cook it a little bit on a slow flame. Yeah, we'll add some fresh chopped coriander. Okay, so we add some fresh chopped coriander to it. Yeah, all right. Okay, so as the mixture is ready, the stuffing is ready. Yeah, looks yummy. Keep it on the side. Next step, take another pot. We'll do a simple basic white sauce. So this is very crucial. So 1 spoon of butter and similar spoon of flour. Need to mix it. We have to be careful here. Need to be careful with the temperature. The flour butter mixture should not get burned. Okay, I think this is enough quantity we have. It always has to be in equal quantity. So whatever portion of flour you got, the same portion of butter you need to use. Okay, I'll use cream. Okay, so we'll use the fresh cream. And a little bit of pepper and salt to it. Then got some nutmeg. Nutmeg powder will give the flavor to the sauce. So that's basic. There we go. Reduce the temperature. Okay. I have a thick sauce. becomes too thick, you can add some more cream to it, doesn't matter. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the consistency. Should be thick and pouring, because you need to pour it on top of the sandwich. So also keep it here. Go. Okay. Now the bread part. I'm using a loaf over here. You can have a variety of breads according to your choice, whatever you prefer. All right. So we'll use the bread. We'll cut it. Yeah. Okay. All right. Got the bread. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to take the butter, spread. Okay. Then take the stuffing. Normally they use ham in France. In cafes in France they use ham, but we are using this lovely yummy paneer. You know. So you have the paneer. Okay. Some more butter over here. Okay. All right. Cover it. Okay. All right. Now I'll take a pan. Okay. So we're going to pan fry the sandwich over here. What we do, we add some butter again. Okay. Right. Here we go. Okay. So you're going to do both sides, and once it is enough hot, the bread will become nice golden brown, crispy on the outer side and soft and yummy inside. Yeah, some more. Now the other part, we'll spread some butter on top as well. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Okay. So usually when you do a croque monsieur, we pour sauce over and then you bake it in an oven or in a OTG. You normally bake it around 160 to 180 degree temperature for 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, and then you take it out and you cut and serve it. But I am going to torch it over here. I'm going to torch it. I'll pour the sauce, then grate the cheese, and I'll torch it. I'll make the step easier. Okay. So we have the sauce over here. Yeah, we pour the white sauce. Yeah. Okay. then I'm going to grate the cheese loaded of Amul cheese, exactly how you see in the streets, those yummy cheese sandwiches. So we have converted our French croque monsieur into a desi sandwich. Yeah, there we go. So we'll just toss it. We're going to torch it. I have a torch, so I just grab a torch to do it. You can do it in your oven, as I said earlier. Okay. Little bit of browning, little bit of blackening. That smell, you know, wow. It's yum. It's easy, and it's for the people who loves cheese sandwiches. You know, easy snack. Okay, good to go. Yep. So I said you can use it on oven. I used a torch to grate in the cheese. Okay. So now we're going to take it and we do the plating. Okay. We need to do the plating. All right. So with the sandwich. Okay. Can cut it. Yep. It's yummy. It's cheesy everywhere. Yeah. So here we go. For all of you, for all the viewers. Yeah. This is it. And then we're going to serve it with some potato chips. Easy potato chips, and with a mustard. Why usually in the croque monsieur original recipe you have mustard? So I have a mustard as a dip over here, and some ketchup for your potato cheese on the sandwich. Okay, so here we go, our Indian version of croque monsieur with Amul paneer stuffing. We have used Amul cream, we have used Amul cheese and Amul butter. So I hope you enjoy and like the recipe. Definitely let me go one more time, repeat the recipe slowly, and then of course all the comment I'll revert back with the recipe and the procedure individually. So we made a paneer stuffing with cardamom powder, tomatoes, chopped onion, chopped coriander, green bell pepper, a little bit of garam masala. We haven't used any chili because the taste is more of yum and little bit of sweetness and that cardamom and that garam masala flavor. However, if you want, you can add some chopped chilies. People who love spicy food. We made a white sauce. We have taken 1 spoon of butter and 1 spoon of flour. Control the temperature. Pour it. Make sure it's not burned. You cook slowly. Add cream and adjust the thickening. Okay, so now you got the stuffing, you got the sauce, and then we cut the bread. You can use different kind of loaf according to your choice, according to your taste. Put the stuffing, then we poured the white sauce. We have grated the Amul cheese on top. I have torched it here. You can bake it, you can put it in the oven from 160 to 180 degree temperature around 5 to 8 minutes. Just see through. If it's golden and crispy, it's ready to go. Okay, I've served with potato chips with Dijon mustard and tomato ketchup. You can try different kinds of dip, innovative dips according to a palate, and try it. Even you can try it with homemade French fries, sweet potato fries. You know, just experiment and do it. So yeah, here we go, a lovely snack, Indian version of croque monsieur. Hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you for watching me live from Radisson High Tech City Cooking Studio. And stay connected, stay home, stay safe. We are there for you. Thank you.